One of the questions I get asked quite a bit, and I'm going to ask you the same question, is why is it so important to analyze that data?
And the reason fundamentally why it's important to analyze data is because data can help you to answer questions about your business. So if you don't have any questions at all about your business, then data analysis is not going to help you. But if, for example, you want to know, what were your sales last month, how many people have contacted you on your service desk, which customers are returning to use your product or service, how many people have lapsed, what are people when you do your advertising, how are people responding to that and then taking up the product. All these kind of basic questions, almost any business can have this type of question, and those are just entry-level questions you might have about your business.